Hey, Bridget.
What?
Why did the apple stop in the middle of the road?
I don't know.
Because he ran out of juice. Hello, little buddies. I'm Jordan, the Sugar's Bridget. And every week, we get drunk.
And try something for the first time. And this week,
We can even make some fall drinks.
Okay, so today we are going to make 3 fall drinks. Easy to make. They all include apple cider, which is what makes them fall.
Wait, all of them? All three of them?
All 3 of them.
Okay, didn't look at the recipes.
Yep.
This fall.
So the first one is an apple cider-Tini. I kind of hate to call it that because it doesn't have gin or vodka in it. It's actually equal parts apple cider and rum, but I think it's because of the apple cider it would go better with rum. And the recipe said spiced rum. We didn't have that, so we just did regular rum, and I'm sure it's fine. Ooh, that is quite appealing. I think the spiced rum would have been better.
Spice rum would have been.
Yeah.
Would have.
Good stuff, huh?
Would have been way better.
This is only number 1.
Maybe we should put like apple cinnamon in there.
Caramel would be good in it.
Caramel would be titties, but we're sitting here without caramel.
Yeah.
Caramel, actually.
It's not bad.
It's
the second
fine.
sip was better than the first. Did you have
It's
a second?
fine. I'm just working on getting drunk. Anyway, so how many Dennises would you give this?
I mean, I would give it like, what, 2 or 3 Dennises?
I would give it 2.5 Dennises,
Yeah.
maybe
I
3.
I
It's
think-
a stretch.
I think 2 for me, because I wouldn't order this. I wouldn't pay money for this.
No.
Like, if I had the ingredients sitting around and there's just nothing else but those
And I just want to get
ingredients,
drunk on the holidays.
then
This is what
sure.
you probably should have. And
But-
if you hate alcohol,
yeah, you really can't taste the rum that well.
I mean, you could taste it some.
Hmm.
So maybe a
Some.
little less rum than you did apple stuff.
Yeah, so maybe it should
Other
be like
than
2
that-
to 1 or 2 to 1.5.
Something. But those of you
not
who
bad,
like
yeah.
alcohol or just alcoholics, then yeah, maybe half and half, maybe more rum. Where's your oyster? I feel like a Muppet. I feel like Beaker.
Alright, so for our second drink, we're having Apple Cider Mimosas.
Uh-huh.
It is 2 parts champagne to 1 part apple cider. It looks pretty.
I
with
mean,
the bubbles and stuff.
Kind of looks like the last drink. There's
I mean-
apple cider. So let's just see what happens. I mean,
That's worse than the last one. Again, caramel is necessary in this one, I think.
something.
Sweetness.
Or maybe cinnamon.
Or
I feel like
or
still cinnamon would
maple
really
syrup.
help it.
Maple syrup. Just a little bit of sweetener.
But you have to do a dab.
Just a teeny
Otherwise,
drop,
that's
just
a
drop.
thick drink.
Yeah,
It's-
2 Dennises.
I'm going to give it 2 Dennises,
2
too.
Dennises. Drink number 3. Spiked apple cider. Easy like the rest is just 2 parts apple cider to 1 part Fireball or whatever cinnamon whiskey.
That's probably the best one yet.
I like it. Now the original recipe said to heat the cider, have it as a warm cider, but I'm lazy.
Sure,
I didn't wanna.
yeah.
They also said you could mull it, like have it in a crock pot, so you can keep it warm, like for a whole family event. Just have them
Right, it's a
pre-mixed.
whole thing. This is about the best thing we
This
made
is
today.
Definitely the best thing we've made today.
Uh-huh.
I might be a little liberal with my Dennises here, but I'm gonna 4.5. I'd order this at a bar.
And what would you tell them that you're ordering? What is this called?
Spiked apple cider?
Spiked apple cider.
Mhm.
And would they know what to put in
Probably
this?
not. No, I'd probably
So you
just
need
say.
to like
I probably just
know what
say
you're getting
apple
into.
cider, Fireball,
Big-
1 cup. You know.
So I would give it. Hold on. Okay, it got a little better. I'm gonna give it 4 Dennises.
Yeah.
So out of all the holiday drinks,
It's definitely the best.
what's this called again?
It is still a spiked apple cider.
So the best thing that you could have this season
Yeah,
is the spiked apple cider.
absolutely.
I would go with that.
Mm-hmm.
The rest of the drinks we made were complete garbage.
And he
I
clearly
mean-
drank all of them.
They'll get you
Trouble
messed
with
up.
The other ones will work. You'll be okay with it. But this one will work and you'll like it.
Give the other ones to Aunt Doris. We'll just drink anything you put in front of her. Merry
Oh
Christmas.
my gosh,
and-
I don't have an Honduras.
Oh God, you know what? Me neither.
But you know what?
I'm
have
gonna
a
go
few-
adopt one.
Like, subscribe, comment, see if If you have your own fall drink recipes, do share. Feel free to
share. Please share.
drink them. We might.
Share
Probably
and
not.
drink them. Hey, Bridget. What do you call a fruit that's rough around the edges?
I don't know.
Edges. That's the word is edges.
What did you say the first time?
Edges.
Oh, I missed it.
Anyway, it's rough around the edges. So what do you call it?
I
A bad apple.
don't know. Should we do that again?
I don't want to.
Okay.